Yeah, turning now to some breaking news out of Brazos County. Multiple fire agencies responding to a large fire north of the Bryan area at a chicken farm there. You can see some of these pictures from the scene, a wall of fire at Feather Crest Farms. Our reporter, Simona Barca, live there on the scene. She just arrived just a few moments ago. Simona, what can you tell us?
That's right, Lauren. I'm live here at Feather Crest Farms plant in Bryan. You can see this just huge plume of smoke behind me and fire. Firefighters, as you said, from multiple agencies responding. They received reports of the fire about an hour ago. Since I've been here about 15 minutes, there's just been a constant flow of emergency vehicle traffic on the road. Cars are pulled over on both sides of the road just to see what's happening. I'll step out of the frame so you can see better. Just a gigantic plume of smoke, constant fire. You can see everything is still, nothing is under control. The fire is ongoing. Our office in Bryan is about 12 miles from here, and I could actually see all of this plume all the way from back there. Obviously the fire was a lot closer, but the plume of smoke can just be seen miles and miles away. Like I said, we don't know what exactly happened, what caused the fire, if there are any injuries or when it will be contained, but we did hear reports of people being told to evacuate the building. Once again, we will keep you updated as things happen, as we learn more on air at 10 and also on KXXV.com as things continue to unfold. I'm reporting live here in Bryan, Simona Barca.